Picture yourself in the 2023 Landrover Range Rover Velar. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enter a refined world of distinctive style, impressive versatility, and satisfying performance. This Range Rover Velar offers exceptional build quality and tasteful design, and it's waiting just for you. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: head-up display, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, satellite radio, power liftgate, power passenger seat, premium sound system. Get the performance and style you've been waiting for. Drive this exceptional Range Rover Velar. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.